What's up guys, welcome back to Ride with Thumper. Today we're going to be installing an aftermarket exhaust from Amazon on this Grom. This is a very cheap exhaust, it's around $80. I'll put the link below, the one that I actually bought. The one I bought seems to be pretty good quality. But before we get going, why don't you give this video a like and subscribe if you haven't already. Here we have the stock Grom exhaust. It's very ugly and very heavy. What we're going to be replacing it with is not only lighter, but it's going to sound better, look better. Here's the new exhaust, looking good. Now the aftermarket Amazon exhaust. This is with the baffle in. If you wanted, you could take out the baffle and make it louder, but for me, this is just perfect. So that is the comparison between the stock exhaust on a Honda Grom and the aftermarket Amazon exhaust. There's a link below to the actual one I ordered. The one I ordered seems to be good quality. Thanks for tuning in again, guys. Hope to see you next time.